guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm back. Before this video, you should have seen my first makeup tutorial video, whatever you want to call it. I just uploaded that and I said, well, I'm cute, so why not record another video? So today I'm just gonna I'll tell you guys about the first 2 months of being a first year teacher. To sum it all up, it's been bittersweet. It's been crazy, but it's been good. I love my kids. My kids are a joy. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better group of kids. I mean, of course, we have our problems like every other teacher has in her classroom. The constant talking, the shouting without raising your hand, getting out of your seat without permission type stuff. But that's normal for a classroom. You just have to know how to handle those situations and be able to move forward. So let's back up to the first day of school. So my kids came in, well, the day before school, we started school on a Tuesday, and then like the previous Thursday we had like meet the teacher night. So I met a few of my kids that night, and I met some parents, and they've been cool, they've been nice, I have some kids in my class who I haven't even like spoken to a parent, and I've continuously reached out to a parent and no one's gotten back to me. And it's just that way sometimes. But you just have to be able to move forward and find a way to help that child, and just know that that child needs you. Like, that child is the child that needs you more. Like that, you have to be able to not let that discourage you because the parents aren't as involved in the child's education. So you have to kind of take it upon yourself to make sure that that child's successful, because I felt like if the parent really truly cared about the child's education, they would have reached out, they would have responded to me reaching out. But it is what it is. There was so much that demanded so much of my time and so much of my attention. It made it hard for me to come on YouTube and record videos and be as engaged as I was prior to school starting, because I was off for the summer. I wasn't working, so I was able to put out a few more videos. But now it's been tougher. But now that things have calmed and I have a little more time in the afternoons when I get home from work, I feel like now's the perfect time for me to start getting back into that, video taking mode. And I just miss it. I miss talking to you guys in the comments. I miss you guys following me on Instagram and, sending me messages via Instagram. Like, it's just been truly, truly amazing building relationships with you guys. And I just feel like I miss being in the YouTube community. I miss talking to you all. So it's very important for me to get back out here because I need you guys. I mentioned in like the video before the makeup video, like on my life update video, I told you guys that I was bringing a lot of different aspects into my channel, and I am. And makeup is one of them. Hair, wigs, I love to wear. Since I've cut my hair, like I've been trying to try out wigs because my hair isn't at a length that I'm happy with my hair. Like, I love to see my hair grow again and a lot healthier. But every now and then you just want to throw in a wig and feel cute again. So I definitely feel cute again, and I'm really excited to just share with you guys, different parts of my life. My husband is in the military. He's gone. He graduates at the end of October, and me and our daughter get to go see him, and I'm super excited. So I do plan to vlog that whole moment, so you guys can definitely be a part of our journey there. So that's why you need to make sure that notification bell is on so you guys will not miss those videos. I want to do a giveaway for Christmas this year. So before I can do a giveaway, I want to try to reach 1,000 subscribers. And I'm almost at 400, but I haven't been posting as many videos. So the goal is, if I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will do a huge giveaway for Christmas. So I have basically 3 months to make this happen. We have all of October, all of November, and then Christmas is at the end of December. So you have like 2 months and 3 weeks. So I definitely want to, give back this holiday season. I just feel blessed in my life all the way around, and I feel like my family has been blessed with many opportunities, with my husband being in the military and, the benefits that we get there. And then me starting my new job, my career, and the benefits that I get as being a teacher. I just feel like there's no other time, there's no better time to give away than, to help a family or a YouTuber, in need. I'd rather prefer to I don't know, I just want to give back. I give back within my community, but I want to make sure that I give back to the people who are supporting me, which is you guys. So I definitely want to do a giveaway in December. And if there's any other YouTubers out there who want to link up and do even a bigger giveaway for someone out there, like someone in the comments or anything like that, let me know. Send me a message via Instagram. My Instagram right now is at Primary Adventures, but I'm going to be changing it, and it's going to be Toya Cole. And I have my personal Instagram page, but I never post on there, and I feel like I just need to start over. But I may not start over. I might just continue to use my personal page and just, brand it off. So you can follow me at Toya Cole. I'll link that in the description below for you guys to follow me there. And just send me a message and let me know what you guys think. London, she's getting big. She's so big. She's so smart. She knows stomach, arms, hands, feet, ears, nose, mouth, tongue, teeth, hair. My baby knows it all, and she's not even 2 yet. She turns 2 in December. She's fully potty trained. She goes, "Mommy, pot, pot, pot." Like she's really potty trained, and I'm just grateful and thankful all at the same time. I just hate that her dad wasn't here to witness all of this in this time, but she'll still be potty trained when he's back home and around, so it's not like he's missing too much. I'm sorry I keep playing with this wig. What have you guys been up to? What have you guys been doing? What do you guys want from me? What do you want to see more in my channel? Like I said, I'm incorporating makeup. I'm incorporating wigs and hair. And I'm also going to do try-on hauls from a lot of different stores that I shop around at. I just did a huge Carter's online shopping. I did a big order. I can't get my words together. I purchased a big order from Carter's online recently, and I haven't taken anything. I took one shirt out of the box, and she wore it last night, but I haven't taken anything else out. May have opened a few things, but if you guys are interested in that, I can definitely film London's Carter's haul, and that way you guys can see the mommy aspect of my life too. So that'll be another great video. Yeah, but this is my life. School, like I said, it's been going good. It's been very demanding, but I'm getting through it. And my co-teacher, she's awesome. Like, we work really well together. So without her, I don't know, how I would definitely make it through this year. But it's been great, to say the least. It's been challenging as well. I had like my first breakdown when I was by myself because I was so overwhelmed with just the demand, and I feel like a lot of things I don't know. I don't want to say, too much on here, but it's just, it is what it is. Every job has its, things. But yeah, I'm just really excited to just be back at it, just to have my ring light, because I'm really just loving this quality. Like, I feel like this is dope that I have a ring light, because it allows me to record pretty much anywhere in my apartment. So I know I had this struggle of just recording in this one spot, and I didn't really like it because I could never get the lighting right there, and even then the lighting was still never right. So now having a ring light definitely allows me to film in different parts of my apartment. And I also purchased 2 of those big shadow box lights. They get here tomorrow, so the quality may be even better once I try to set that up, and I'm gonna use those more so at night. I feel like now the quality is pretty decent because my window is behind this ring light, so I'm getting a lot of natural light plus my ring light. And then my ring light, it's not even at its brightest. Like, this is just the lowest setting. So let's see like how bright it gets. It's like really bright. It gets really bright. But yeah, it's really good. So I have like really good lighting there, and I'm just really happy. And I don't have any special camera. I'm recording off of my iPhone, and I'm using the front facing camera. Like, I'm not even using the back, so you know, you can see definitely the quality with just the light with the front facing camera. So it's pretty dope. I want you guys to leave me suggestions down below of what you guys want to see more of from my channel, and you know, anything that you want me to talk about. And I also want to do a Q&A soon, so make sure you go follow my Instagram down below, and inbox me questions. And you guys can also follow me on Snapchat at Toya Cole, and you can also inbox me questions on there. And I'm going to try to do a Q&A very soon. I think it would be really dope if you guys, you know, were able to ask me things that you were interested in knowing about me, because I don't always know what people want to know, or if they even want to know anything about me. So definitely start sending me those questions so I can plan to do a Q&A sometime this week. And definitely follow me on Snapchat as well, because I'm pretty active on there too. So thank you guys for watching this video. As always, I love you guys, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel reach out to more people, and that'll also help me reach my goal faster so I can do this grand giveaway in December. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.